nabanggit mo na yung mga discoveries. So, sa tagal nyo nung nagsama doon, kasi this is the longest na you spend time together, di ba? So, ano yung pa yung mga discoveries mo kay Lovie na, wow, lalo nagpa-inlove sa'yo sa kanya?
I realized how much she loves her family. She would do anything for her family. Very open siya for change. At she, nakita ko yun during Europe. I found that na siya, she's happy with what's going on with her life now. Now she's open to change. Kasi she likes what's happening now. Eh.
Yes.
She feels better. At mas optimistic na siya. She's becoming more optimistic. Kaya nakakatuwa. I was there since the start of our friendship. Nakita ko kung paano siya nag-mature, nag-change in a good way to become a better person. So I'm really, really proud of her. I keep telling her I'm proud of her.
So, eto, what's next between you and Lovie?
I don't know.
Kasi you're not getting any younger, so are you thinking na naisip mo na ba na eto na yung gusto kong makasama habang buhay?
We can never tell talaga. People have been asking me din eh. Di pa namin iisip. She's at the peak of her career.
Yes.
Dami niyang projects ngayon. I'm really happy for her. So, and I'm 2 years older than her. So, ako, dami rin naka-line up sa akin. It's best na we make the most out of our careers muna. And we know na tawag dito, hindi naman forever in show business. Ako, nag-open up ako sa kanya, sabi ko, in 5 years siguro, I'm going back to school.
Oh?
Mag-med school na ako.
Talaga?
So,
Iwan mo na
super
showbiz?
I might.
Talaga?
Yun talaga original path ko. So, baka pediatrics na ako.
Doctor na sino na?
Baka. Hopefully. If things go my way.
Kumusta si Lovie sa family mo? Have you introduced her?
Yeah. Tonto naman yung family ko sa kanya. They enjoy hanging out with her. May inggit kami. There's this certain reunion one time.
Yes.
Kasi isang baby namin na cousin, 3 years old, 4 years old, wala siyang nilalapitan sa amin, lahat ng cousins. Wala. No one. Pero nung nakita niya si Lovie, biglang tumakbo kay Lovie, tapos nabubuhan ni Lovie. So, lahat kami, sumisigaw kami, ano ba yan? Ba't ayaw sa mga pinsan niya?
Stranger pa ang sa kanya.
So, nakakatawa na that broke the ice. And then everyone was really comfortable with her. Nalaman ko rin na mahilig pala siya sa balot.
Balot?
Doon kami lagi sa Pateros eh. Nagre-reunion. And then, ano yung isang na yun? Abnoy?
Abnoy.
Ako hindi ko makain siya. Nakadalawa ata, tatlo. So, kaya natuwa lalo yung family ko sa kanya. And, happy sila. They're happy hanging out with her. Very, very easy when I bring her with
Magano yung love ng family.
Yeah, masaya sila tuwing nandun siya.
Kasi very close ka with your family. So, importante talaga yung approval ng parents mo. Of course.
And naman sila. Sa parents ko naman, they're very supportive. Kung anong gusto ko, they're always there behind my back.
Wala ba silang binibigay sa yung advice when it comes to relationships?
No. Yeah, kapag
may problema
kunya nagpapabaya na ako, nakakalimutan ko yung priorities ko, ayan, kinakausap na nila ako. Then, nakikita naman nila, nagmamature naman ako. And most of the time, they let me handle things my way. Kapag nakikita na medyo, oops, you have to step into the picture. Doon lang.
What about you and Lovie's family? Kumusta?
Very good din. Ako,
na-meet mo na, of course.
Yeah, yung sister niya, yung mom niya, cousins niya, I get to hang out with them. Yung sister niya, recently I've got to become close to her. Marami siya tinatanong about yung sister
Yes.
kuya stuff, parang ganon. So nakakatuwa na parang Through love, nagkaroon ako ng baby sister.
Kung nabubuhay pa si FPJ, paano mo ipapakilala yung sarili mo?
Ewan ko. Just, be myself siguro.
Mhm.
Kausapin na siya like a man. And then,
Do you talk about FPJ with Lovey? Memories niya about
Yun
her
nga,
father?
sometimes when we're together, parang alam mo yun, I forget na she's the daughter of
Yes.
FPJ na, wow, siya yung anak niya na. Parang that's how down to earth she is. We sometimes talk about her dad. Nag-open up naman siya. But then I don't push things. I don't push
Pero
things.
do you wish na sana nakilala mo rin si FPJ?
Of course.
Napapanood mo naman si FPJ before, yung mga old movies niya?
Nung nag-screening kami ng Ibong Adamna, meron palang FPJ hall sa this center, I forgot na. So,
Mobile Fund? Hindi.
Yes, Mobile Fund. Yes.
Correct.
At so a few of his movies, yung mga fight scenes niya, ginagawa rin ni Lovey sa akin. Yung mga Pompiang? Ano yun?
Yung gano'n.
Ginagawa siya. Ano yun? Di mo ba alam yun?
Trademark ni FPJ, yung
trademark
actions.
move ng dad mo. Tapos ginagawa niya sa akin.
Tapos ngayon, nakilala mo yung anak niya. Surreal talaga. No?
Yeah, lucky guy.
Okay. So aside from acting, siyempre alam naman natin na isang businessman, si Rocco. So, I know na you have a gym.
We have 2 gyms now.
Yeah, 2 gyms.
I might be close to co-owning another one. And another one, maybe 2. So, happy ako with the opportunities that are coming.
Pero paano mo naisip na mag-put up ng mga ganitong klaseng business?
Gut feeling. Una, medyo against yung parents ko eh. Pero ang lakas ng kutob ko dito sa gym na to, nung main branch namin, Ortigas.
Lourdes.
Elorde Ortigas. It was supposed to close down. Elorde Pasig pa siya nun. So, sabi ko, tingin ko, we can make this work. Pinush ko talaga ng pinush. And then, pumatok. Naging okay siya.
Saka hilig mo rin kasi, di ba?
Hilig ko rin, you have this passion. Why not turn your passion into a business? Make money is something you love doing, di ba?
So aside from gyms, wala nang iba. Ano pa yung gusto mong business na pasukan?
I might be putting up parang what do you call this? A store that sells fightwear, jiu-jitsu gis, judo gis, equipment. So baka yun. Baka matuloy ko na. Same in Home Depot din.
Okay. So ngayon, Pepsters, tuturuan tayo ni Rocco kung ano yung dapat natin gawin kapag nasuong tayo sa pangapanganib. So, self-defense technique ang tawag dito, Rocco,
Yes.
diba? So, explain natin kung ano yung mangyayari, situation.
Siyempre, we live in a country na hindi natin maiiwasan yung mga pangyayari na ganito. Hold-ups,
Saka marami talaga masasamang loob ngayon.
Na magagawa ng mga babae, lalaki, magagawa ng lahat. Although it's actually dangerous, ang first thing na dapat isipin ng tao na gagawa nito ay kung pwede, ibigay mo na lang yung pera.
Wag mong i-risk yung life mo.
Wag mong i-risk yung life mo. Pero sa mga gusto ng konting kaalaman tungkol sa pag-defense sa sarili.
Yes.
Meron. May paraan.
Especially ngayon, malapit ng pasukan, pasukan na, yung mga estudyante, baka lapitan ng kung sino-sino, at least, meron silang pang-defense. Pero palalan natin huwag niyong i-risk yung life niyo. Okay?
Kung pwede ibigay niyo na lang, bigay niyo na lang. Or kung pwede tumakbo, takbo na.
Hindi mapapalitan ng pera yung buhay natin. So, yun, unahin natin. So ngayon, meron tayong inibitahang volunteer para magpakita ng sasamahan ni Rocco, si Romel. Si Romel Llanes, of course, very familiar sa mga Pepsters. Romel, halika dito.
Na isang martial arts practitioner.
Yes. Very familiar din sa mga Pepsters kasi siya yung madalas mag-host ng mga pep talk. So, anong gagawin natin, Rocco?
So,
dito lang ako sa tabi.
May isang dummy gun. Follow ka na lang sa Hindi ko na lang lalakasan. Para sunod ka na lang. So, isang mabilis lang. So, kunyari magkausap tayo. At may mga hold up sa
Okay.
At alam ko na nararamdaman ko yung barel. Nandito yung kamay niya. Nandito yung braso niya. I know nandito siya. I use my elbow. To pick the weapon away. Hanapin agad ang wrist. Kuha. And then, swing, twist, and then push down para lumipad siya. Pababa. So now, kontrolado mo na siya. You put your knee on his ribs, so nakagalaw ka ba? Nakakahinga ka ba? Mahirap huminga ba? Oo. So, it's either bibitawan niyo yung weapon, o makuha mo. Pwede threaten mo siya, na tumigil siya, then walk away.
Okay. Okay. Ngayon, Rocco, salamat sa
Your turn! Game, your turn!
Hindi, okay na ako. Okay, ngayon, ano yung mga pinagkakaabalahan natin at maaabangan natin from you?
Yeah, ngayon I'm currently working on Sunday All-Stars every
Yes.
Sunday. At sumasayaw doon. Sometimes, may times na kumakanta ako.
Yes, voice lessons.
And I'm doing Justicia with Miss Nora
No
Honor.
less than the superstar.
Yes, the superstar, Miss Nora Honor. Everyone calls her Ate Guy, pero I
Yes.
prefer to call her Miss Nora talaga.
Okay. Very formal.
Oo nga eh. And then, Ibong Adarna is coming out. It's gonna be under GMA Films, directed by Direk Jun Urbano.
Anong month yan? Wala pang play date.
July, August,
Okay.
Soon. And I have something cooking up with the GMA. Soon.
Wow, abangan natin.
Dapat
Kasi
abangan.
akin pa rin ang bukas yung last mo and then
Mm.
papanood. So, thank you very much.
Yeah. Oh, may ihabol pa pala
Oh,
ako.
sige.
Please do visit Elorde Ortigas
Okay.
and Elorde Marcos Highway. Yun yung mga branches namin and abangan yung susunod namin branches soon.
Oh, Twitter, Instagram.
Twitter and Instagram is @NacinoRocco. NACINOROCCO.
Friendster.
Friendster,
Wala na. So, thank you very much,
thank you,
Rocco.
I had fun.
Okay, thank you. Websters, Rocco Nacino.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.